Hello and welcome to Asan Tutorials. In this video I will show you how to find the latest transaction date for each customer, product or store. By the end of this video you will learn the functions of a filter, max X, earlier and dated if. Let's check the table. In this table, this is customer column and this is the transaction date. For example, for this customer there are multiple transactions. One transaction is on 10th of November, 19th of November and 22 of December. So we will find the latest date. This we want to see this in front of every row when this customer repeats. So let's start a new calculated column, last transaction date. So I will use the formula of some max X. It requires table and expression. Table is the same table and the date, I will use this date column, which is this one. So it will show the maximum of date, the latest date in this whole table. So the latest date is this one, 22 December. It is showing for all the rows. So we don't need this for all customers same date. We want for each customer the latest date. We have to narrow this table for each customer. We can do that by using the filter and earlier. Filter, table name is the same table name, comma, we will say customer, where customer is equals to earlier customer. So now for this customer it shows only the latest date for this customer, and for any other customer, for example this customer, it is the 1st of December and 15th of December is showing 15th of December as last transaction date. And now this is for each customer. If you want to count the days between the last transaction date and the today, we can do that as well by dated if. So I will declare a variable for this, for example max date, and we can use dated if. It requires two dates, the first date and second date, difference and interval. So the first date is the max date, the variable, and today we want to compare with today. It returns the today's date, and interval we want in days. So days since last transaction date. Now it shows the date for each customer. The last transaction date was the 22 December, so it is 6 days until now, and for other customers it shows the other date. If this video was helpful, please subscribe the channel, and if you want similar videos, ask in the comment below. I will make other videos too. Thank you.